Turmeric, a humble crop with extraordinary properties, has been an inseparable part of Asian culture and daily life for centuries. More than just a spice, turmeric symbolizes resilience, creativity, and adaptability, from the rustic fields of Vietnam and India to the expansive farmlands of China. Turmeric undergoes a miraculous journey from being planted, nurtured, and harvested to becoming refined products that reach markets worldwide. Turmeric is indispensable in the lives of Asians. Its vibrant yellow hue not only enhances the appeal of dishes but also reflects the richness of culinary and cultural traditions. Turmeric is considered a symbolic crop, not just for its economic value but also for the numerous health benefits it offers. Turmeric in cuisine and culture. With its bright color and distinctive flavor, turmeric is integral to Asian cuisines. In Vietnam, it features prominently in traditional dishes like fish stew with turmeric, bánh xèo, Vietnamese savory pancakes, and turmeric chicken porridge. Beyond enhancing flavors, turmeric is valued for its health-promoting properties, improving digestion, and boosting immunity. In India, turmeric is the heart of curry recipes, an essential ingredient in daily meals, and a highlight in festive celebrations. In Thailand and Indonesia, turmeric is not only a culinary staple but also a key component in traditional remedies. Turmeric in traditional medicine. Turmeric has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine across many Asian countries. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and disease-preventing properties. Ancient remedies often incorporated turmeric to heal wounds, aid digestion, and detoxify the body, passed down through generations. These traditional practices underscore the pride of Asian herbal medicine. Economic value of turmeric. Turmeric is not just a natural resource, but also a stable income source for millions of farmers in Asia. It has long been a strategic export commodity for countries like India, China, and Vietnam. India, the largest producer and exporter of turmeric globally, accounting for over 80% of the world's supply. Vietnam, the Central Highlands, with its fertile red basalt soil, yields high-quality turmeric. China, known for large-scale production. China emphasizes adding value to turmeric products through modern processing technology. Planting stage. The journey of turmeric begins with the careful selection of high-quality seed rhizomes. These are typically mature, robust rhizomes with a vibrant yellow hue and free of pests or diseases. Soil preparation. Turmeric thrives in loose, well-drained, and nutrient-rich soil. Before planting, the soil is thoroughly tilled and enriched with organic fertilizers to enhance fertility. Planting. Farmers cut the turmeric rhizomes into small segments, each containing 2 to 3 buds. These buds sprout into turmeric plants within about 10 days. Caring for turmeric plants. The nurturing process spans 8 to 10 months and demands meticulous care and patience. Watering. Turmeric requires consistent moisture but cannot tolerate waterlogging. Farmers regularly irrigate to maintain optimal soil moisture. Weeding. Removing weeds is essential to give the turmeric plants space to grow. Fertilizing. Organic fertilizers and potassium are applied to ensure the rhizomes grow larger and develop vibrant colors. Harvesting turmeric. Turmeric is ready for harvest when its leaves turn yellow and start to wither. Manual harvesting. Farmers use hoes or spades to dig up the turmeric, ensuring the rhizomes remain intact. Mechanical harvesting. In larger production areas, modern machinery boosts efficiency and reduces harvesting time. After harvesting, turmeric undergoes a series of processing steps to become a finished product. Cleaning. The rhizomes are washed in large tanks to remove dirt and debris. Drying. Sliced turmeric pieces are dried to preserve them for longer periods. Grinding into powder. Dried slices are finely ground into turmeric powder for use in cooking and medicine. Extracting curcumin. Curcumin is carefully extracted from turmeric to create premium products for pharmaceutical and health industries. Turmeric stands as a testament to the perseverance of Asian farmers and the seamless blend of tradition and technology. Organic farming. Organic turmeric farming is gaining popularity, aiming to produce clean and safe products for health-conscious consumers. Technological advances. Modern technology is being applied to enhance curcumin content in turmeric, catering to the increasing global demand. The journey of harvesting and producing turmeric in Asian countries is not only a testament to the hard work and creativity of farmers, but also a tale of how a humble crop can make a significant impact on the global stage. Turmeric brings immense economic value and serves as a cultural, culinary, and medicinal treasure for Asia. This journey reminds us of the deep bond between humans and nature, while paving the way for a bright future for this traditional yet promising crop in the realm of sustainable growth and global integration.